Melatonin is a hormone naturally produced by your body, playing a vital role in your sleep patterns. It comes from a small, pea-sized gland in your brain called the pineal gland, which is located near the center of your brain. This gland is located deep within the brain and releases melatonin in response to darkness, helping to regulate your internal clock. Melatonin is often called the sleep hormone because of its crucial role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle, ensuring you get restful sleep. Melatonin levels generally start to rise in the evening as darkness sets in, preparing your body for sleep. This increase in melatonin signals to your body that it's time to sleep, making you feel drowsy and ready for bed. As melatonin levels rise, you start feeling less alert and more relaxed, eventually leading to sleep, allowing your body to rest and rejuvenate. Melatonin levels usually peak in the middle of the night and then gradually decline towards morning as daylight approaches, signaling your body to wake up and start a new day. The sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm, is like your body's internal clock. It regulates various bodily functions, including sleep, hormone release, and body temperature, over a roughly 24-hour period. Melatonin plays a vital role in keeping this internal clock synchronized with the natural light-dark cycle. When it's dark outside, your pineal gland receives signals to produce and release more melatonin. This signals to your body that it's nighttime, promoting sleep. Conversely, when daylight arrives, melatonin production decreases, signaling your body to wake up and be active. While melatonin is primarily known for its role in sleep regulation, it also exhibits other important functions within the body. One of its notable roles is acting as an antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various health problems. Melatonin helps neutralize these free radicals. By doing so, melatonin contributes to overall health and well-being. In addition to its antioxidant activity, melatonin is also believed to play a role in immune function. Section 4. Melatonin as a sleep aid. Melatonin's role in regulating sleep makes it an effective sleep aid for some people. It is a hormone naturally produced by the pineal gland in the brain, which signals the body that it is time to sleep. It can be particularly helpful for those who have trouble falling asleep, such as individuals with insomnia or delayed sleep-wake phase disorder. These conditions can make it difficult to maintain a regular sleep schedule. Melatonin supplements can help reset the body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle. This can be especially useful for people who experience jet lag, a temporary sleep disorder caused by traveling across different time zones. Jet lag can lead to fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and mood disturbances. By taking melatonin at the appropriate time, travelers can help their bodies adjust to the new time zone more quickly and reduce jet lag symptoms. This can make travel more enjoyable and less exhausting. Section 5. Melatonin supplements, dosage and availability. Melatonin supplements are widely available over the counter in most countries, making them easily accessible for those who need them. They typically come in the form of tablets, capsules, or liquid, providing options for different preferences and needs. The appropriate dosage of melatonin can vary depending on individual factors such as age, weight, and the reason for taking it, whether for sleep issues or other health concerns. It's always best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it if needed, under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid any potential side effects. For most adults, a typical starting dose of melatonin for sleep is between 0.5 milligrams to 5 milligrams, depending on individual needs and responses. However, it's crucial to consult with a doctor or pharmacist to determine the right dosage for your specific needs, as they can provide personalized advice and ensure safe usage. Section 6. Potential side effects and precautions. While melatonin is generally considered safe for short-term use, it can cause some side effects in certain individuals. Common side effects may include drowsiness, headache, dizziness, and nausea. It's essential to avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking melatonin, as it can cause drowsiness, Melatonin can also interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, immunosuppressants, and birth control pills. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before taking melatonin supplements. They can assess potential risks and interactions and advise you accordingly.